Hello everyone, welcome back to Neil Explains. This question is very tricky question. Many will solve it in a very wrong way, but we will solve it in a correct way with step wise. Okay, and we will solve it step wise. So as we know, PEMDAS. You know what is PEMDAS? Parentheses, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we will put this PEMDAS rule in this mathematical expression. So according to PEMDAS, first we will do multiplication and division. But in this case here, we have both multiplication and division, but both are with same priority. We will do from left to right. Then equation will become 1 plus, first we will solve for this one. 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Now 1 multiplied 1 and 1 into 1. Now this will be a simple. Even a 5 great kid can solve this. Now 1 plus 1 is 1 and 1 is 1, and in the next step we both all the 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3. So 3 will be the right answer. And if you want more solve like question and 0 to hero series of our book, then go check out our links in the description and solve more question.